Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Eric the Old Jarhead here. Now, I gotta get back to milling. It's been an awesome day. I'm really enjoying it. It's just gorgeous weather. We've got about 2 more hours of sunlight and it's almost 5 o'clock, folks. So Darcy's getting the grill fired up, but I need to work up an appetite and I still got 3 more logs here. I'm gonna make 4x4s out of them. So instead of yakking to you, how about I just get these logs rolled up on the mill, get them knocked down. Let's see if I can get all 3 of them done before Darcy yells and says dinner's ready. Let's get to it. First log up, Ponderosa pine. Folks, I mill a lot of Ponderosa.
It's because a little bit of love I had. I never knew that it would make up my heart. It's because a little bit of love I had. I never knew that it would make up my heart. I'm not used to it. I don't get to see it. And then all I do is live in my head, in my head. Baby, in my heart. No, I have done my deciding, but I was just emptiness. It's because a little bit of love I never knew that it would make up my heart. It's because a little bit of love I never knew that it would make up my heart. It's because a little bit of love I never knew that it would make up my heart. It's because a little bit of love I never knew that it would make up my heart. Yeah.
All right, as we get this log milled down, this last cut, I thought I would mention that, I've often said that I don't really like to mill anything under about 9 inches. Now, I say that primarily from a customer perspective, right? So if I'm going to go out and mill for you, I want to maximize the amount of lumber that I can produce for you in each hour. And it doesn't matter whether I'm charging by the hour, which I do or did, or by the board foot, which is something I really didn't do. But by maximizing what I can get you every hour, I'm not wasting your money. On the other hand, if I'm just milling for myself and I happen to have some small logs that, well, quite frankly, I wouldn't mill necessarily for somebody else, but I can get some 4x4s out of them, maybe the odd 1x or something, then hey, why not? That's the beauty of having your own sawmill. You can just do whatever you want. And well, actually, you can do what I do right here. Raise the tote board, shoot that 4x4 right off the end and walk away. Now, is that the best way to handle lumber? No, it's not. But I'm trying to save my back. And since Darcy wasn't there to help me pick that one up, I thought, you know what, rather than have her yell at me, I'll just shoot it off the end like that. We can pick it up later and I'll get on to milling. And hey, this next log, you can see it, it's kind of like a banana. May not make the best 4x4 in the world, but you know what? When you're making scrap 4x4s for a simple project, what the heck, make use of it. And how about that magic hook? Gotta love those. If you don't have one, folks, well, you ought to get one. I made my own. It's not something someone provided for me. I don't have a link for you to go get one, but you can find them on Logright's website or on like PV. All you need is a cant hook style hook or a PV style hook and some chain, and away you go. Works like a charm. Anyway, let's get back to getting this one done here. Well, folks, got one more to go, that Doug fir, and I'm not going to get to it because the grill's going. It's bourbon 30. Time to take a break. But I want to show you what I got going on over here. So let me grab a camera and go over there and show you. Got 1% on this battery, so I don't know if it's going to hold up. Let's give it a try. I'm having battery troubles today. First world problems. Well, we got 3 1-bys there. And then we got a nice 1, 2, 3, 4 4-bys with that one Doug fir in there. There was a little bit of stress in these logs. But honestly, folks, what I intend to do with them, not really going to be an issue. Then I got this last one here, so 5 total. one more log and get another one out of it. All right, what I'm doing is I've got a lawn tractor, I guess you call it, a Husqvarna 54-inch lawn tractor with a lawnmower attachment and a snow blower and all that kind of stuff. And it's been out in the weather for almost 4 years now. And I've decided I want to build a lean-to off the back of my shop. And I thought, you know what? I could just mill up some 4x4s for my posts. Don't have to be a whole lot of them. Maybe 3 on the back, 2 in the front, or 4 even. I don't know. I'll figure it out. And then I can use 4x4s for beams too. And all I got to do then is build a bit of a shed roof over it so I can park my lawn tractor under that lean-to next to the shop. On the other side of the shop, I want to do about a 2-foot deep and maybe 8-foot long lean-to as well that is just there for putting, you know, rakes and shovels and things out of the weather right there against the shop wall. So that's all I'm doing. These little poles, I was going to use them for posts around the deck or something, but honestly, this time of year, leaving them with bark on them is just going to invite the bugs. And I thought, to heck with it, you know what? I'm just going to go mill them up into 4x and some 1x stock. That'll give me all the 4x4s I need for this little project. So, got her done. Still got another log to do, but I won't get to it in this video. Sorry about that, but it's bourbon 30, folks. Time to grab my bourbon 30 glass and go have a drink. So, I'm going to call it good. But thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hey, I'm going to drop another video right here for you to check out. And if you haven't done so, check that merch out down below. Some cool stuff in there. You might like it. Thanks for that. Appreciate your support, folks. Y'all have a great day. The old jar hit out. That's a wrap. I should do a bloopers one day.